Hi friends, welcome back to Polo on Paper. I'm Polo. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a Shamrock shake at home. If you're an activity director like me, then you are very well aware that March is coming up soon. I think it actually starts tomorrow. So you have to prepare for days like St. Patrick's Day. The Shamrock Shake is perfect for that. This is an easy treat to make for your residents, whether you are allowed to have small groups, or if your residents still have to stay in their rooms, then you have to pass things out room to room. You can make this in large quantities, or it's a lot cheaper than if you were to go to McDonald's and try to buy one for every single one of your residents. My budget is not that big, so we're doing this. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so to make this, we are going to need a blender, obviously. We're going to need about 2 cups of vanilla ice cream, either whole milk or half and half. I found that the half and half actually makes it a lot creamier, a lot smoother. We're also going to need some mint extract, some green food coloring, some cherries, and naturally they were out of it at the store, but you would also need some whipped cream. So what we're going to do is we're going to put all of this into the blender. So I'm putting the 2 cups in there. Now we're going to do about 3/4 cups of the half and half. Or milk if you decide to use the milk. Pour that in there. I'm going to need about 1/4 tablespoon of the mint extract. Ooh, that smells strong. And for the food coloring, I'm just going to put in a little bit. Okay, we'll mix it up and see how it looks, and then we can add more if we need to. If you have a dropper, they say that about 5 to 6 drops should work. This one doesn't have a dropper, so we just gotta roll with the punches. And now we blend it. I'm going to add a little bit more of the food coloring. Make sure it's the food coloring and not the mint. Alright, let's look. That looks nice and green. I think we are ready to pour it into our glass. And there we have it. Now obviously you would put the whipped cream on top and then put the cherry on top of that, but the store let me down and didn't have any. So we're just gonna throw a cherry in there just for funsies. Wow, there you go. This is actually 2 servings of the drink, not just one. It's just a really big mason jar. Obviously with your residents, you wouldn't give them a serving this big. A lot of them might be diabetic and watching their sugars, or even if they're watching their calories, then they would want a smaller serving. A smaller serving would be about 1 cup, and that probably is about 330 to 350 calories per serving. So you do want to make sure that you're helping them watch those calories if that's what they're working on. Let's try it. Yep. Tastes like mint. A totally normal flavor to have in your sweet things. I'm not gonna finish this. I don't like mint, so I guess I'll go give it to my mom or something. But I'm sure you'll enjoy it. If you like today's video, make sure that you like, comment, share, subscribe, and ring the bell. You can also follow me on Instagram on @apolylook. There, I post some of my upcoming projects and any videos that I'll be posting on here. If you didn't like today's video, then go have a Snickers because you're not yourself when you're hungry. Or just go make a damn Shamrock shake. Like, dude.